Imagine your logistics company just bought a 620,000 pesos delivery truck. It's brand new, but you know trucks lose value quickly, especially in their first few years on the road. Your accountant looks at the numbers and says, since this truck will drop in value fast early on, we'll use the declining balance method to calculate depreciation. Before we solve this problem, what is the declining balance method? The declining balance method is a way of calculating depreciation in which an asset loses value by a fixed percentage of its book value each year, resulting in larger depreciation expenses in the early years and smaller amounts in later years. This method is often used for assets that were out or become obsolete quickly, such as vehicles, machinery, or equipment, because it reflects the faster loss of value at the beginning of the asset's useful life. Besides the declining balance method, there are several other ways to calculate depreciation. The straight line method, you take the cost of the asset, subtract the salvage value, and divide it by the useful life. Units of production method. Here, depreciation is based on how much the asset is used, not time. You take the cost minus salvage value, divide by total estimated units, and multiply by the units produced in that period. Double declining balance method is like the declining balance method but accelerates depreciation. You take twice the straight line rate and apply it to the book value at the start of each year. It's useful for assets that lose value every quickly in their first years. Now let's get back to the problem early in this video. Our truck costs 620,000 pesos, is expected to last 10 years, and its salvage value at the end of life is 93,000 pesos. Let's find the annual depreciation and the book value after 4 years. The first formula calculates the book value of an asset after a certain numbers of years, which is M. It works because every year the asset loses the same percentage of its current value, not its original cost. The second formula is used for the end of the asset's useful life. By knowing the salvage value, we can calculate the depreciation rate using this formula. So it looks like this. In order to get the depreciation rate or K, we either use shift solve in a calculator or algebra like this. After applying the 17.28% declining balance rate for 4 years, the truck's book value is approximately 290,291 pesos. This shows how the value increases faster in the early years under the declining balance method. After the total depreciation of 4 years, which is the first cost minus the book value of the truck, is equals 329,709 pesos. And that's how we calculate depreciation using the declining balance method. I'm John here at Cagampang, and thanks for watching.